In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,450 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic. I will share with you which product I'm promoting, how do I use free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. So if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, I made this commission just in one single month, from the first day of the month of August until the day 30, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this. Click over here on sign up. Scroll down and click on create your Amazon account. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is your home, your promotion, tools, reports, help, and so much more. Your commissions here and so on, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you should start promoting using Pinterest. We will promote our Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic to earn commission. But first, we need to choose a good and a profitable product. So how we can choose good product? So what you will do next, you will go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on this link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And what you will do next, like I said, choose business account, not personal account. You need to open Pinterest business account. After that, go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend, okay? So we need to see what's trending. You should use this website. If you are not using this website and you are promoting Amazon affiliate links, you are just doing it in the wrong way and you will never make any commissions. You should start using Pinterest trend to see what's trending. Go to Google, search for Pinterest trend, click on this link over here, and you will be directly in this page, okay? So what you will do next, click over here and choose which country you want to target. You have United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so on. I'm gonna choose United States like this. Scroll down and here you go. You guys can see Pinterest will give you what's trending in United States this month, okay? Those are the products that are trending in United States this month, okay? We have fashion, we have outfits, we have summer nails, hairstyle, dinner ideas. We can scroll down to see more keywords. We have here discover trends in United States. So what you will do next, let me see. We have, you guys can see this one, Halloween nails. This one is going up. You guys can see the graph. It's just keep going up. Let's check this one, Halloween nails. Guys, Halloween is coming and you should start promoting services, any product, sorry, you should start promoting any product related to Halloween, okay? So just click on this keyword, Halloween nails, and scroll down, go over here to date and choose past 3 months. You guys can see the graph of this product is just keep going up, okay? You guys, did you know that Halloween is coming? Next month will be Halloween, October 31. So that's really good. So let's check. And the graph is going, it's just keep going up. That's really good. Let's scroll down. We have related trends. We have this one, September nails, cute Halloween nails. Okay, this one, I will choose this one. You guys can see. That's why I said you cannot promote any product that you like or that you need, that you choose, that you think it's gonna work. No, it doesn't work like this. You need to go to Google and search for Pinterest trend and use Pinterest trend to see what's trending and what people are searching for. So Halloween is coming and this product is good. So what I will do, I will copy this product name, Halloween nails, and they will go back to Amazon. Open your Amazon account like this, click on the search here, and search for this one, this product, Halloween nails. Okay, I want you to pay close attention in this step. So please pay close attention. Always choose good sellers. Okay, choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, and choose products who has good price and high quality. So let me show you. So for example, we have this one looking good. This one, it's related to Halloween. Even this one is looking also good. This one, it's related to Halloween. This one, let's scroll down. Let me see if we can find good. This one, guys, is really good. Like this one is also about Halloween. We have, let me see, this one has a lot of reviews here. Let's scroll down to see if we can find more. This one also is looking good, and it's just for $5, so a lot of people can buy this product from you. But let's see, we have also this one. It's also for almost $6. This one is also good. You guys can scroll down to see if you can find good one. So I will choose, guys, I will choose this one, this products. Okay, you guys can give it time so you can choose good one, but this one is good. It's about Halloween. I will click on this product like this. So just click on the product that you like and that you want to use, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Okay, you guys can see you will be directly in this product page. So what you will do next is you will go back to your Pinterest account. Go back to Pinterest, to this Pinterest account. Click over here on home feed. Click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this Amazon product page. Click on this picture like this. Double click. Let me show you. Double click on this picture and click on save image. You need to save this picture to your laptop. Click on save. Okay, and go back to Pinterest. Click over here and upload this picture. This one about Halloween nails. Okay, this product is for women. That's really good. Women buy, they are buying and they are paying for like those products. So this, you need title and you need description. Go back to this product page on Amazon and copy this title. I will copy this title like this. It's too much long, so I'm gonna copy just this part, and I will put this title here. Description. Go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down. You should see here about this item. This is the description of this product, so you guys can copy this description like this. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to this Amazon product page. You guys should create your Amazon. If you already created your Amazon affiliate account, you should see this bar over here. So what you will do, you just need to click on text, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. You just need to copy this link. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product, and go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you can create, you just need to give it a name, and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one for Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend account, copy those keywords. This one. Go back to Pinterest and put this keyword here. Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down, you should see here related trends. Copy all those keywords, okay? Like this one, cute Halloween nails, this one, and go back and put all those keywords here, okay? After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. you just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, you guys can see your Amazon affiliate products will be like this. This will be your Amazon product picture. This will be your Amazon affiliate link, and this will be your Amazon this will be your title about this product and your description, and that's it. You are promoting product that people are searching for. It's coming. This one, Halloween, is coming. A lot of people will buy any products related to Halloween, any services related to Halloween, and that's it. Start promoting any product related to Halloween from today. Halloween is coming. If you started from today, just in the next few weeks, you can see your commissions. Okay, if you stay consistent, you guys can keep. You will make your commissions. Okay, because it's coming. It's trending. This one is trending. But if you slip, if you didn't start promoting like those products, you will never make any commissions. And that's it. This is my methods that I'm using, and that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.